Hi.
So today we're gonna be redoing the Sprite challenge from our last video. I don't know if you guys remember, but we did the Sprite challenge but with the can. So this time we have the big bottle. And so if you guys don't remember, the challenge is to drink it and try not to burp. So, yeah, we're gonna try
Who's
it.
gonna win? I'm gonna lose.
Wait, okay.
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers, mother.
Cheers, daughter.
It's cold.
Brain freeze. She went to mom.
Okay, we're gonna redo it. Wait, because my mom is choking, so like, can I? Okay. Mother choke, okay?
No me aguanto la risa. Okay.
I feel it coming out.
No me aguanto la risa. Bye.
I can't.
Oh. A little bit more.
No way.
Oh my god. Still half hurry. I mean, not hurry, but yeah. Oh my god.
Me voy a vomitar.
Don't say that.
I can't.
You burp.
I felt.
Te falta. You get one?
Me? No.
Ya no pudo. I finished, but ya no pudo.
So out of 10, I do not recommend. Okay, well that's the end of this video. As you can see, my mom won. I didn't. I lost.